Alright, today we are transplanting most of these green collards which were planted on the 29th of April. Today is the 27th, actually 26th of May. So almost a month ago. We're going to transplant this onto this grow bed right here to fill up the remaining empty pots that have nothing going on. Let's do it. Alright, so that's 8 of them, and what I'm gonna do is now, I want you to look at the beautiful roots. It's amazing. Look at this. Look at the beautiful roots. So I don't want to interfere with that at all. Alright, so that's 8. Now let's go ahead and plant them. So we're going to remove all this soil. We're going to give it a new home. Okay. We're getting rid of all this soil. All of it's gone. The fresh soil in there. So this is really nice soil. So what I'm going to do is so 2, 4, I got 6 now. Okay, 2. I got those 2, adding 2 more. So look at all these nice roots. I don't want to interfere with these nice roots. So what I'll do is I dig a hole in the bucket like that, right? And then I gently lower that down like that. Okay. And then I spread this soil around it. Keep it nice and vertical. Be very gentle because these are seedlings. These are still very delicate. Alright. And I'm gonna fill it up with some more soil. So you get some soil. And I'm gonna fill it up. Careful to not damage the young seedlings. I'm just kind of like compressing it a little bit so that the water doesn't just carry away the soil. It shouldn't, but just in case. Okay. Alright. Now, that's about it, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more soil on the top. That one is good. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the side in a nice shed. Next one, come up, dig a hole, get it and do what? Plant it. Same exact thing. Give me some soil so I can put around it without damaging the seedling. Just like that. Okay, good to go. Good. Alright. Bring this in. Same exact thing. Bring it in. So these 8 plants need to come and fill up all these gaps. We have 2, 4, 6, 7, but I'm gonna have to make room for something else. But anyway, here we go. We have green collards, we have basil, we have watermelon, tomato, mint, lemongrass. That's it. So now the next thing will be to cover this place, at least shield some sunlight from the plants, and that's it.